How to deactivate Instagram on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to deactivate Instagram on mobile. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first to update your Instagram app. To do that, you just simply open your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on that update button if it is available. Once you have done updating your Instagram app, you may now open it. And then go ahead on your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. Click on the three lines found on the upper right corner. Click on Settings. Click on Account and scroll down to the bottom of the page. As you can see right here, there is the Delete Account button. So simply click on Delete Account and then click on Deactivate Account right here. So wait for it to load. And as you can see right here, there are a lot of text or messages. So you just read through all of these and then you may choose a reason why you want to deactivate your account, as well as you need to input your password right here. So if you forgot your password, then make sure to click on that forgot password right here and make sure to have your email since Instagram will be sending you an email in which you may be able to change your password right there. So again, type in or choose the reason why you want to deactivate your account, type in your password and make sure to click on temporarily deactivate account right here. So that's it. That's how you can deactivate Instagram on mobile.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.